Hey guys, so welcome to one of my first videos. This is going to be a typical unboxing video, which I'm sure many of you have seen before. And what we have today is a little surprise we got from Amazon. So let's go ahead and open her up. Okay, let's see, what do we have here? We have a Actiontec coaxial to Ethernet conversion kit, MoCA Network Adapter. Okay, so put this aside. I'll let you guys know what it is, why we're using this, okay? Just a sec. So, typical padding. There we go. Let's go ahead and open these up. See what we got. Ooh, it's pretty nice. So, these basically convert your coaxial signal from your wall that comes from your internet or cable provider, and then transfers it into Ethernet connection. Now, why is this useful? Well, in a household such as mine, as you can probably tell, we have a lot of gadgets, a lot of tech. So there's a lot of tablets and phones and laptops and other devices which use up a lot of our internet speed. Now, our typical speed is about 150 over 150 with Fios, and that's typically okay. But then, because of the way the house is constructed, there's certain dead spots where the connection is not the best. And with so many devices, even streaming, Apple TV boxes and such, it does tend to eat up some of that signal. So one of the reasons why we got this is so that in each of the rooms, we can convert the connection that's coming from the wall, from the cable, into Ethernet. And then I'm going to show you guys how you can split that off and connect multiple devices just using this one connection. Okay? So aside from that, we also get some Ethernet patch cords. These are probably RJ45s. Believe so. You can typically tell on these, but it doesn't say. That's okay. These are really good cables. You want to use these to connect it to your device, whatever it is that you're going to use. But again, more on that in a minute. Also comes with some really nice premium coax cables. These are really nice. They're typically shorter. These are just really going to be used to connect directly from the wall into your coax in right here, and then your set-top box. So for those of you still using cable boxes, you're going to utilize the connection for the TV set-top box out. So from the wall into here, and then from here to your cable box. Okay? All right. So this package actually comes with two, and I'll let you know in just a few why we got two. Being that the house has multiple rooms, we want to take advantage of as many of these as we can. It lessens the strain on your Wi-Fi connection. You can utilize wire connections, which are obviously very consistent, very fast, and you should have less of breakage in your connection speeds. So let's explain what MoCA actually stands for. MoCA stands for Multimedia over Coax Alliance. Now, this essentially means that it's networking over coax cable. Now, as you can see, you have your set-top TV in, or I'm sorry, coax in, TV out. You have your Ethernet connection, power, and of course a reset button. Haven't really had any issues with the previous generation, which was the MoCA 1.1 adapter. Those are really good. However, they maxed out at about 275 megabits per second download speed and upload speed. So this is going to give you a throughput of about 1 gigabyte, which is fantastic. Now, I personally don't have gigabit internet, but when I do, that will definitely be something we can take advantage of. Now, the way that these work, as we previously mentioned, this is going to connect from our cable that's coming from the outside. This will go into a set-top box if we had one. I don't, I stream, but for those of you who still are using cable boxes, this would be the connection, so it kind of is a throughput. And then your Ethernet connection will go from here to whatever connection you want to make, whether it's going to be to a router or to some additional devices or a splitter, which we'll get into that in the next video. Great, so just wanted to take advantage of this opportunity to thank you guys for tuning in. We're going to be doing a lot more of these how-to videos, a lot more unboxings, and some more really interesting, really cool tech reviews and different things. So stay tuned. Appreciate you guys. See you in the next one.